Hello, have you heard of our scholarship training on digital skills? Guess what? This scholarship training this time around is going to be on data analysis. This scholarship training on data analysis covers the following: introduction to data analysis using Excel, data analysis using Power BI, and visualizing data in infographics. Data analysis is a very powerful tool that can help companies, industries, and many organizations by making a well-informed and also improved decisions. The demand for skilled data analysts is high, and this scholarship training provides you an opportunity to learn this digital skill at an affordable rate. With technology advancing at a rapid pace, it is more important than ever to have a strong foundation in digital skills like data analysis. Data analysis is a digital skill that can open up a wide range of remote and flexible work opportunities for you. With this scholarship training on data analysis, you will be able to work for any organization here in Nigeria or abroad. Guess what? You can also work remotely, that is from the comfort of your home. Now, for the past 12 years, Bizmaro Technologies has been offering practical hands-on training on data analysis using various softwares. When you register for the scholarship training on data analysis, you're getting nothing but practical hands-on training where you get to build a real-life project before you graduate. The amazing part of the scholarship training on data analysis is that you're getting it at an affordable rate of 27,500 naira. Isn't this interesting? To register for the scholarship training on data analysis, you can call or WhatsApp the numbers on your screen or visit our website to learn more and apply today. Do not be left behind. Invest in your digital skills by taking advantage of this scholarship training on data analysis. It's your girl Joy. We cannot wait to have you with us. Bye.